trending pita breads at home are not only cost effective but also a joyful baking experience. Pita bread is moist, light, flatbread originated in Middle East. This bread got so popular in last few years that it is accounted for the largest share in global flatbread market. The high nutritional value of this bread attracting health conscious people to use it in their various meals. Versatility is another reason of its growing popularity. One can use it in numerous ways like stuff the pockets with different fillings, use it as a pizza base, roast it as a pita chips, scoop sauces, curries or dips with it, and you can also make different kind of wraps and sandwiches out of it. You can make this recipe with 100% whole wheat flour as well. In a bowl, add bread. Good 5 to 6 minutes and little difficult to handle, but resist of adding more flour to it. After a while, you will get a smooth dough but sticky slightly. Put the dough for fermentation for 1 hour or until doubled. Make sure to use instant yeast only and not the dry active yeast, as 25% of the cells are dead in it, which provides you a substandard product. Once fermentation is done, take it out on a flour dusted station and knead it before portioning it. Then divide the dough into almost equal balls, making sure the seam side is at the bottom. Once done, put it in a baking sheet, then cover it with a damp towel and let them rest for 20 minutes. Now let's start rolling the dough into circles about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. While rolling dough, if it springs back or hard to roll out, that means you must let it rest for some more time. So give approximately 10 to 15 minutes more or until they are easy to roll out. But remember, any yeast dough springs back a little bit but easy to stretch out. Make sure your oven is preheated on desired temperature. I forgot to preheat on time, so few of my pita bread is overproofed and become thicker. This is why few of them not puffed, though it tastes great. Another important tip is if you have lower temperature oven or even if you have a regular ones, you can preheat the oven with the baking sheet so that the pita gets enough heat to puff up. Now once your rolled pitas are ready, transfer it on a baking sheet and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes or just slightly puffed. Bake it on 500 degrees Fahrenheit or highest temperature of your oven for 5 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Do not overcook pita or they will be dry and stiff. Once done, take it out from the oven and place it on kitchen towel so that they can absorb back some of the heat and stay moist and soft. Then store it in a paper bag and it will be good for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. Otherwise, wrap it in an aluminium foil and put it in a good quality Ziploc seal bag so that you can enjoy moist and tasty pita bread anytime with your loved ones.